So now we want to create a query from the 4 tables that we have in our database. To create a query, we go over to the Create tab, and I'm going to create a query right from Design View. So I'm going to click on Query Design, and here the first step you have to do is include the tables that you want in your query. Now we want to include first name, last name, service date, city, number and party, and service name. And I already know that those 6 fields are going to come from all 4 of our tables. So I want to add the tables to the query, so I can just double click on each table and then I can hit close. And notice, because we created the relationships in the previous steps, we don't have to recreate them again. So I want first name and last name, and you can see under the members table right here, there's first name and last name. Service date, you can see, is under the orders table, and city, we want it from the location table. Number and party, we want from the orders table, and then service name we need from the service table. So we need all those fields. Now to include the fields in your query, you just double click on the fields and it'll put it down here in our design grid. So first of all, I want first name from the members table, last name, and then I want city from the location table. I want service date from the orders table, and I want number and party from the orders table, and then I want service name from the service table. So to add the fields, you just double click on them, and you can see it tells us what tables they came from. Notice you can sort down in the design grid, and these little check boxes are to show or not show a field. So if I had only records from Denver, I wouldn't really need to show the city when I run the query, because the assumption is we know the query name is from Denver. So that's where you'd use the show checkbox. And also notice we have a criteria row. And this is how we actually get the query to pull out records. So again, remember, a query answers a question for us. So in a minute we'll go ahead and continue on with this query.